Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today what I'm going to do is get her seasoned up. So I did a previous video on how I got her to looking the way she does. So if you guys are interested in that, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description below. And if you guys aren't already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Bye. Alright, first step in seasoning this, I want to go ahead and just spritz the whole inside with oil. So I'm not going to do the grates. We're already done. Actually, the first thing I want to do is, since like this is raw metal, it's never been cured or anything before, is I'm going to go ahead and spritz the bottom of this, turn it around, get the other side. So that's my deflector plate. They said I did another video on how I built that. So. Alright, since the firebox gets the hottest, I'm going to go ahead and wipe this down with some oil on the outside too. And this should help the paint retain somewhat. Alright, so I have a full basket of lump charcoal. This is mesquite, and I'm gonna go ahead and get this started. You can use just some paper towels, a wadded piece of paper towel. They sell these little fuel cubes as well. You can use that. I found these recently at the Home Depot. Strike a fire. So they're just compressed wood starter, and they already have the kind of like a match. You just strike the light. It comes in a pack of 48. And it's about $10 for the whole pack. So, but it even has a strike on here. There we go. And then just go ahead and put that underneath here. Let it go. So give that a few minutes, and then we'll go ahead and throw that in there. As our coals are getting up and going here, I went ahead and put a 5 probes in my grill just to kind of monitor how the heat is getting distributed throughout the grill. So what I have is since I added this deflector plate, I want to see how well it's managing the heat now. So I have a really big hot spot right here. So I put a probe here. I also put one at the far end because this deflector plate is open on either end. So I want to see how much heat is coming off the side and how hot the rears get. One in the center, one on the far end over here. And then the other thing is, since my smokestack is so high versus where my grates are, I'm going to eventually want to move that down, but I want to determine how much heat is just coming right here, rising, and then going right up to this level. So basically bypassing all the food down here. So these are some nice things to do while you're first seasoning your grill to try to determine. So be monitoring this. This one I'll go ahead and put a link in my description if you're interested. It's a 6 probe Bluetooth unit. They do now have Wi-Fi, which I would highly recommend if you could do that. That way you can monitor it from anywhere. Dump those into the bottom here. Alright, the fire's going pretty good, so I'm going to go ahead and close this down and shut this up, but leave the intake and the exhaust completely open. So get this nice and seasoned. So we'll monitor the temperatures. Alright, so we've been going for about 40 minutes. This thing is getting nice and toasty. You can see got 2 splits in there. Got it taken pretty well. Got a nice clean smoke coming out the top. That's what you want to see. Very little smoke leakage now. So, and so far the finish is holding up, and that's what we want to see. So let's close this up. All right, so it's been going for about an hour. So I found out if I close the door, start getting whiter smoke. So just leave the door cracked open, you get a nice clean draw. So it's one thing. Other thing is, so looking at the heat distribution here, go and open it up for now. See, everything's getting nice and cured in there. But right here is probably that 300, about 250, and then you got this probe at the far back is at about 220. So about a 50-degree temperature difference from one end to the other. So probably look at putting some tuning plates in there, and then there's quite a bit more heat up here. It's about 280. So I think what's happening is you're seeing the heat from the plate getting radiating here, then rising right up in here and then going out. So that's why you want to put the tuning plates to kind of regulate the heat down further, and then also lowering the smokestack will get you your even heat across the grace where you really want it. So, and then the far corners here is definitely the hottest part where the heat kind of leaks out. So, but now you see like a nice, see how a nice sheen. That's definitely a nice seasoning, and as you cook some more, you're just gonna keep building that up. So, but that's looking good. Got a nice bed of coals there, and probably time for another vlog. And actually gonna throw on some chicken right now. So, hey, I hope this was helpful for you guys. If it was, give me a like, and if you like this kind of content and want to see some future cooks on this bad boy, give me a subscribe, and I also need to get a name for this thing. So if you want to leave me a name suggestion, leave it in the comments below. All right, I'll talk to you later.